how to change the white balance or tint in camera on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, we go to Photo, tap on the Photo tab, then tap on the Control button, and from here, swipe across and tap on the WB icon right there, white balance. At the top here, you can choose white balance or tint, and this will allow you to drag on the slider bar at the bottom here to adjust the white balance color. You can also tap on the tint tab here and change the tint. Okay, so that's how you can change it. Otherwise, you can tap on the reset button to reset it back to default. You can also set it to auto so that the camera will automatically adjust the white balance and the tint for you. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.